Hi guys, welcome to Dev Suhas. In previous week we explored about flat method, how it can be used in an array and what's the exact use of it. In this week we'll explore about splice method and also we'll see what's the exact use of it. So let me switch to Visual Studio Code and I'm going to declare an array called numbers and I'm going to save the value from 1 to 5. So the main objective here is like I want to remove the last three elements, say 3, 4 and 5. So how it can be done? I can go for splice method. So I'm going to say numbers dot splice of. So it has three parameters: start, delete count and number array. So basically the number array is optional. The start is basically the starting index from where you have to delete it. So let's say I have to delete it from 3. The index will be 0, 1 and 2. So I'm going to mention it as 2 comma and the delete count. So how many elements should I have to delete it? So 1, 2 and 3. So I'm going to specify it as 3 and I'm going to say console dot log of numbers. I'm going to save this and I'm going to run this file and you can expect the last three elements has been removed. So I was talking about third parameter, right, the number array. So let's say a scenario after deletion you want to add 6 and 7. So how it can be done? Just after the delete count, just mention the number of items you have to add. So I'm going to say 6 comma 7. And if I save and run this file, you can see 1 2 6 6 comma 7 has been added at the end of the array. And there will be also a scenario where let's say you should not want to delete the respective array but you want to just add 6 comma 7. So in that scenario you can just mention the delete counter 0 and if I save and if I run this file, so 1 2 6 and 7 has been added and followed by 3 4 and 5. So that's it guys. So it's very simple. So if you want to manipulate your array you can use it, but be careful with splice, sometimes it will mess up your array, but just be careful. So these are the functionalities of splice method. And so I also write blogs in devsuhas.com. So I write about Angular, C Sharp, .NET, Visual Studio Code and JavaScript. So if you go to blog section in DevSuhas, you can explore all the blogs. So like, share and support guys. And one more thing, stay safe and stay home and keep supporting. Thank you.